Hello students, welcome to my video lecture. First Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed combination out of n different things taken r at a time, then total number of selection or grouping is equal to NCR. NCR means n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is NCR condition 1 less than equal r less than equal to n. Okay. Next some properties. So NCR properties 1, NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Properties 2, NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. Next property 3, NCX is equal to NCY. That implies either x is equal to y or x plus y is equal to n. Okay, so these are the properties. Today we are going to discuss restricted permutation, restricted combination and some other properties. Okay, property 5. Property 5, if n and r are non-negative integers such that 1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n, then NCR divided by NCR minus 1. NCR divided by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Okay, n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Proof. Okay, LHS part. What is LHS part? NCR by NCR minus 1. Use the formula. What is NCR? n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by NCR minus 1 means n factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So n factorial cancel. This is चले ऊपर को n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here n minus r plus 1 is greater than n minus r, so expand n minus r plus 1. So n minus r plus 1 factorial means n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial divided by this is n minus r factorial. R is greater than r plus r minus 1, therefore r factorial can be written as r into r minus 1 factorial. ये cancel, ये भी cancel. So what is this? n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Therefore NCR divided by NCR minus 1 is equal to NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. Okay. Next one, property 6. If n and r are non-negative integers such that 1 less than equal to r less than equal to n, then NCR is equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. NCR is equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. देखो प्रूफ देखो ठीक है. प्रूफ RHS part RHS n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So is equal to n by r. N minus 1 CR minus 1 means n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus of r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial divided by 1 cancel. This is n minus r factorial. Here r into r minus 1 factorial. Okay, so is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial means n factorial. Jimiti 8 into 7 factorial means 8 factorial. 9 into 8 factorial means 9 factorial. Similarly, n into n minus 1 factorial is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. R into r minus 1 factorial means r factorial. Okay, is equal to NCR is equal to NCR is equal to LHS. This is the proof of NCR is equal to n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay. Next property 6. I see 7. Property 7. If n is even natural number, then the greatest values of the greatest of the values of NC0, NC1, NC2 up to NCn is NCn by 2. If n is even, then NCn by 2 is the greatest binomial coefficient, greatest value of NC0, NC1, NC2 up to NCn. Next, B. If n is odd natural number, then there are the greatest value, the greatest of the values, okay, of the values NC0, NC1, NC2 NCn are दुईटा पाए बैठी n minus 1 by 2 and NCn plus 1 by 2. Both are equal. Since NCn minus 1 by 2 is equal to NCn plus 1 by 2. Both are equal. Adding both, we get NCR equal to NCn minus r form. So there are two greatest value. Okay. Next question: if NCR by NCR plus 1 is equal to half and NCR plus 1 divided by NCR plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3, find the value of n and r. Find the value of n and r. Okay. So solution: given NCR by NCR plus 1 is equal to half. So this implies NCR means n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. And put here n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by n factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial is equal to half. So n factorial is cancel. It becomes n minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to half. So simplify this. n minus r minus 1 is less than n minus r. तो ब्रेक n minus r. r plus 1 is greater than r. तो r plus 1 को कौन करिए हमें ब्रेक कर दो. तो n minus r minus 1 factorial into this is r plus 1 into r factorial divided by ये n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial into r factorial is equal to half. तो r factorial cancel, n minus r minus 1 factorial cancel. Okay. तो implies r plus 1 divided by n minus r is equal to half. r plus 1 divided by n minus r is equal to half. तो implies क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो n minus r equal to 2r plus 2. n minus r is equal to 2r plus 2 implies n minus 3r is equal to equation 1. Again ncr plus 1 divided by ncr plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 given. Simplify this. This is n factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial by n minus r minus 2 factorial into r plus 2 factorial is equal to 2 by 3. So simplify this. The n minus r minus 2 factorial into r plus 2 into r plus 1 factorial. r plus 2 factorial is equal to divided by n minus r minus 1 into n minus r minus 2 factorial. Okay, so n minus r minus 1 is greater than n minus r minus 2 and this is r plus 1 factorial is equal to 2 by 3. ये कैंसिल तो ये भी कैंसिल रहा कौन देखे r plus 2 divided by n minus r minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. r plus 2 is equal to r plus 2 divided by n minus r minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. तो implies क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 2 times n minus r minus 1 is equal to 3 times r plus 2. This is 2n minus 2r minus 2 is equal to 3r plus 6. तो 2n minus 5r is equal to 2 plus 6 8. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Okay. From 1 n is equal to 3r plus 2 and put in 2. So this implies 2 times n means 3r plus 2 minus 5r is equal to 8. So this is 6r plus 4 minus 5r is equal to 8. So 6r minus 5r is equal to what? R. So r is equal to 8 minus 4 means 4. r is equal to 4. Therefore n is equal to 3r plus 2, 3 into 4 plus 2, that is 14. Therefore n is equal to 14. Okay, n is 14, r is equal to 4. Okay. Next question. Prove that product of r consecutive positive integers is divisible by r factorial. Product of r consecutive integers is divisible by r factorial. Okay, proof the product of, let the product of r consecutive integers, let the product of r consecutive positive integers is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 up to n plus r. 1, 2, 3 up to r means consecutive, product of r consecutive integer. These are the product of r consecutive integer. Okay. अच्छा, तो n plus 1 पूर्व कौन अच्छी n, तो this is equal to, we can write 1 into 2 into 3 up to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 dot up to n plus r whole divided by 1 into 2 into 3 up to n, means multiply 1 into 2 into 3 up to n divided by also 1 into 2 into 3 up to n. So this is equal to, so 1 into 2 into 3 up to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 up to n plus r. The product of n plus r consecutive integer, product of first n plus r consecutive integer is known as n plus r factorial. This is n plus r factorial divided by this is n factorial. okay, n plus r factorial divided by n factorial is equal to n plus r factorial into r factorial divided by this is n factorial into r factorial. r factorial मल्टीप्लाई कले r factorial कौन कले डिवाइड कले ओके अच्छा इज इक्वल टू n प्लस r factorial divided by n factorial means this is n factorial means n plus r minus r factorial into r factorial means r add कर ले r minus कर ले तो इज इक्वल टू दिस पोजिशन दिस इज इक्वल टू n प्लस r सी r देखो तो n प्लस r सी r मीन्स n प्लस r फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाई n प्लस r माइनस r फैक्टोरियल इंटू दिस इज r फैक्टोरियल तो n प्लस r सी r is a natural number. This is a natural number. This is a positive integer. So into r factorial means it is divisible by r factorial, which is divisible by r factorial. Therefore n plus 1 into n plus 2 up to n plus r is divisible by r factorial. Hence product of r consecutive integer positive integer is divisible by r factorial. Okay, hence product of r consecutive integer is divisible by r factorial. Next question, if n minus 1 cr is to n cr is to n plus 1 cr is equal to 6 is to 9 is to 13, find n and r. Find n and r. Solution देखो ये solution given n minus 1 cr divided by n cr is equal to 6 by 9 and n plus 1 cr ncr divided by n plus 1 cr is equal to 9 by 13. Okay, so simplify this first. So this is n minus 1 factorial, use the formula n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r factorial whole divided by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial 6 by 9. So n minus r factorial into r factorial. So n factorial also this is not cancel. So r factorial is cancel out. So this implies ये चल रहा ऊपर को n minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial divided by n minus r minus 1 factorial into n factorial is equal to 6 by 9. 6 by 9 means 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. Okay, so simplify this. n minus 1 is less than n, तो n minus 1 factorial रहेगा इठी. n minus r is greater than n minus r minus 1, तो it is n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial divided by n minus r minus 1 factorial into n factorial means n into n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial cancel, n minus r minus 1 factorial cancel is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so implies n minus r divided by n is equal to 2 by 3. This implies 3n minus 3r is equal to 2n. So implies n is equal to 3r. n is equal to 3r, equation 1. Okay. Again ncr by n plus 1 cr is equal to 9 by 13. So this is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial whole divided by n plus 1 minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to 9 by 13. ये भी r factorial cancel. Okay. Next, so it is implies n प्लस 1 माइनस आर चलिए ऊपर को तो n प्लस आर माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल इंटू n फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाई n माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल इंटू n प्लस 1 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 9/13. Simplify this. n minus r plus 1 is greater than, sorry, this is n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1. तो n minus r plus 1 is greater than n minus r. तो expand n minus r plus 1 factorial. तो it is n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. n factorial is less than n plus 1 factorial. So it is n minus r factorial. n plus 1 factorial means n plus 1 into n factorial. तो cancel n factorial and n minus r factorial is equal to 9/13. तो implies n minus r plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to 9/13. तो implies क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो 13n minus 13r plus 13 is equal to 9n plus 9. तो implies 9n 13n minus 9n it is 4n minus 13r this is 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, but what is from 1 n is what 3r. So put here 4 into 3r minus 13r plus 4 is equal to 0 since n is equal to 3r. So implies this is 12r. 4 into 3 12, 12r minus 13r means minus r plus 4 is equal to 0. So implies r is equal to what 4. So r is equal to 4. So n is equal to 3 into r. So n is equal to 12. n is equal to 12. तो ये r is equal to 4 and n is equal to 12. Okay. Next, restricted combination. Restricted combination means some condition is applied for combination. So number of combination of n different things taken at a time when p particular things is always included. P particular things is always included is equal to n minus p cr minus p. Again, number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time when p particular things are always included is equal to n minus p cr minus p. n minus p cr minus p less than r अला equal to r. n minus p cr minus p. Okay, means out of n different things taken at a time, suppose p things is always included. तो p things सब कॉम्बिनेशन रहइबो, सब जगह कॉम्बिनेशन रहइबो. तो आमे कौन करिए तो ऊपर p माइनस करिए तळो भी p माइनस करिबा मींस आउ जो रहला r माइनस p मीन्स n माइनस p रो आमे r माइनस p को सिलेक्शन करि परिबा. n माइनस p रो r माइनस p को सिलेक्शन करि परिबा. ओके, प्रूफ number of ways of p particular things can be selected out of p things is equal to PCP. Okay, PCP. Next कौन रहला number of ways of selecting of selecting r minus p things out of r minus p things out of n minus p things, out of remaining n minus p things is equal to n minus p cr minus p is equal to n minus p cr minus p. Okay, therefore required number is equal to required number is equal to PCP into n minus p cr minus p is equal to n minus p cr minus p. Since PCP is equal to 1, either equal है 1. Okay, तो n minus p cr minus p अर्थात कौन कहला number of combination of n different things taken at a time when p particular things is always included is equal to n minus p cr minus p. Okay, this is first. Second number restricted permutation देखा टिके. Second number कौन अच्छी the number of combination of n different things taken at a time when p particular things are never included is equal to n minus p cr. n minus p cr means हमारा n different things अच्छी से through p particular things बिल्कुल सिलेक्शन करियानी हमें तार्थ आम कौन करिया ताहले n माइनस p रु आम r थिंग्स को आम सिलेक्शन करिबा. ओके, बुझिपारछ ना. तो n माइनस p रु आम r थिंग्स आम कौन करूँ सिलेक्शन कराउछि. ओके, तो देख ताहले प्रूफ देख टिके. प्रूफ सिंस p particular things never included in each selection, therefore out of remaining n minus p things are there. Okay, hence we select r things and therefore we select r things remaining n minus p things. Okay, तो total number of combination is equal to total number of combination is equal to n minus p cr. Okay, question number देख लीजिए. A committee of 5 persons is to be formed. 5 persons is to be formed from 6 men and 4 women. In how many ways can this be done? Without any condition, in how many ways can this be done? Next question, how many way of this committee consist of at least 2 women are included? Next question, at most 2 women are included. Okay, simple, very simple, बहुत simple, टेंशन हमार नहीं. सॉल्यूशन देखो. नंबर ऑफ मैन केते अच्छी 6. नंबर ऑफ वोमेन 4. total number of persons, persons means both men and women, persons is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 है a committee of 5 persons. The number of persons in the committee is equal to 5. Okay, therefore total number of required number of committees, therefore how many ways can this be done? Required number of committees is equal to 10 ରୁ 5 सिलेक्शन करिवो 10 मेंबर ରୁ 5 मेंबर को सिलेक्शन करो 10C5 कहीं सिलेक्शन होची नॉट ऑर्डर सजा होनी सिलेक्ट मीन्स करे ग्रुपिंग रखाई जीव तो 10C5 दैट इज 10 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 5 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल और 10 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 10 इंटू 5 इंटू 9 इंटू 8 इंटू 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 5 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1 5 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल तो 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 5 इंटू 2 10 कैंसिल 4 2 जा 8 ओके 3 जा तो दिस इज 3 इंटू 2 6 7 इंटू 6 42 इंटू 2 84 इंटू 3 4 जा 12 1 3 8 जा 24 1 25 252 तो 252 कमिटी फॉर्मेशन करिया जो 5 मेंबर्स रहिबे ओके विदाउट एनी रेस्ट्रिक्शन आंसर इज दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 at least 2 men are included means each committee contains at least 2 men means 2 men है परिवो at least 2 women means जब 5 जनिया कमिटी थी तारे अति कम रे 2टा वुमेन तो 2टा वुमेन नहीं परिवा 3टा वुमेन नहीं परिवा 4टा वुमेन नहीं परिवा 5 वुमेन नहीं परिने काहे कि वी हैव ओनली 4 वुमेन तो मैक्सिमम 4 वुमेन नहीं परिया हमें ओके तो ठीक है देखो ताहले when at least 2 women are included okay so at least 2 women are included means the committee may consist of case 1 2 women 3 men 2 women plus 3 men 2 women comma 3 men 5 person ना 5 person को 2 women नहीं परिया 3 men नहीं परिया अच्छा ये जो 2 women आसियो को थ्रू 4 women ही हमें women सिलेक्शन करिबा तो 4C2 into ये जो 3 men को थ्रू आसियो 3 men 6 men आसियो 6C3 है 2 women coming from 4 women 3 men coming from 6 men तो 4C2 into 6C3 ओके सिंप्लीफाई करिया 4C2 मीन्स 4 into 3 डिवाइड बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल तो 12 by 2 means 6 into 6C3 6 into 6 minus 1 6 फैक्टोरियल by 3 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल 6 into 5 into 4 डिवाइड बाय तो 20 तो 120 नेक्स्ट द कमिटी 2 men 3 women हो पारिबो नहले 3 women और 2 men नहीं पारि हमें बिकॉज टोटली 5 person ना द कमिटी मे कंसिस्ट ऑफ दिस 2 women 3 men 3 women 2 men 4 women 1 man तो दिस इज 3 women coming from 4 women 4C3 into 6C2 तो 4C3 means 4 4C3 n माइनस 1 कहले n तो 4C3 मीन्स 4 6C2 6 into 5/2 15 तो दिस इज 60 next it may be also 4 women and 1 man 4 women and 1 man तो 4 women coming from 4 women 4C4 into this is 6C1 6 जन गोटे जन सिलेक्शन कराब 4C4 इक्वल है 1 into 6 is equal to 6 तो इन दिस केस तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कमिटी is equal to number of committee is equal to total number of committee is equal to 120 plus 60 plus 6 तो 186 कमिटी हम फॉर्मेशन करिपरिबा ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एट मोस्ट 2 women आर इनक्लूडेड तो आउट ऑफ 5% मैक्सिमम 2 women रही पारिबे मैक्सिमम 2 women मीन्स 2 women रही पारंती किंबा गोटे वुमेन किंबा नो वुमेन मीन्स बिल्कुल वुमेन रही नहीं पारंती कोठी कमिटी मैक्स एटमोस्ट 2 मीन्स अति अधिक ले 2 तो 2 रु अधिक नुहे 2 किंबा 2 रु तलुक आसीबो ओके 2 women और 1 woman और नो women इन द कमिटी है तो 5% रु 2 women हम आउ 3 men ना पड़े हमको जदि 5% रु 1 woman नबा ताहले कौन नबा 4 men ना पड़ो जदि बिल्कुल women ना नबा ताहले 5 कौन ना पड़े men ना पड़े तो ये भी 3टा केस आसपर ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 व्हेन एट मोस्ट 2 women are included when at most 2 women are included ओके अच्छा तो ठीक अच्छे तो 2 जदि वोमेन नबा 2 women नले कौन ना पड़े 3 men ना पड़े हमको 2 women, 3 men तो 2 women coming from 4 women is equal to 4C2 into 3 men coming from 6 men 6C3 yes तो is equal to 4C2 means what 4 into 3/2 6 and 6 into 5 into 4/6 means 20 तो ये 120 नेक्स्ट 1 woman अति अधिक ले 2 अति अधिक ले 2 अर्थात 2 कि 1, 0 तो जो 1 woman नबा ताले कौन ना पड़े 4 men ना पड़े दुईटा मिसला बेलू 5 होता पड़ो कहीं 5% कही तो दिस इज 4C1 into 6C4 4C1 वेस 4C1 मीन्स 4 6C4 6 into 5/2 15 that is 60 next no woman and 5 men no woman means 4C0 into 6C5 4C0 means 1 6C5 means 6 so this is 6 this is also answer 186 okay therefore total number of ways therefore total number of committee is equal to 120 plus 60 plus 6 is equal to 186 in this case also 186 हम पाइबा ओके 186 टा कमिटी फॉर्मेशन हम जो थे एट बेस्ट 2 women रही पारे ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन वी सिलेक्ट ए क्रिकेट टीम फ्रॉम 17 players तो सिलेक्शन मीन्स कॉम्बिनेशन तो सिलेक्ट ए क्रिकेट टीम फ्रॉम 17 players इन विच ओनली 5 players कैन बॉल मीन्स आउट ऑफ 17 players 5 bowlers are there तो 17 minus 5 means 12 batsmen ओके। अच्छा इफ ईच क्रिकेट टीम मस्ट इनक्लूड एक्जाक्टली 4 bowlers मीन्स ईच क्रिकेट टीम रे 4टा बॉलर रहा बाध्य तो जो 4टा जो बॉलर रहिले तार अर्थ आमको आ 7 जन को आम सिलेक्शन करिया पड़ो ना नहीं। अच्छा तो means each team containing 11 players. So out of 11 players 4 are bowlers, next 7 are batsmen. So 7 batsmen are selected from 12 bowlers at 12 batsmen, and 4 bowlers are selected from 5 bowlers. Okay, तो ठीक अच्छी सॉल्यूशन देखा ताहले सॉल्यूशन number of players is equal to 17. Okay, number of bowlers is equal to 5. Okay, rest number of rest players means batsman is equal to 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. Number of players to be played 11. Okay, 4 bowlers must include exactly 4 bowlers. So out of 11 players 4 are bowlers. Out of 11 players 4 are bowlers. Therefore 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 7 are batsmen. Okay, so these 7 batsmen is select from 12 batsmen. Okay, so these 7 batsmen, 7 other players out of 12 other players, 7 other players means batsmen बुझिया पड़े हमको. 7 other players from 12 other players, out of 12 other players can be selected in 12C7 ways. Also 4 bowlers can be selected. From 5 bowlers is equal to 5C4. Hence total required number of teams is equal to, therefore required number of teams is equal to 12C7 into 5C4. Simplify this, we get required answer. Okay, so this is equal to, simplify you get 3960. Simplifying we get 3960. Okay, next question. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts, that is part 1 and part 2, containing 5 and 7 questions respectively. Means part 1 contains 5 questions, part 2 contains 7 questions. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all. Means out of 12 से 8 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करिवो, किंतु कंडीशन अच्छी सिलेक्टिंग एटलिस्ट 3 फ्रॉम ईच पार्ट. अति कम रे 3टा ईच पार्ट लिखिया बाध्य. तो एथुर 3टा लिखिवो तो एथुर 5 लिखिया पड़िवो, कि 4 लिखले 4 लिखिया पड़िवो, 5 लिखले 3 लिखिया पड़िवो. मीन्स 8टा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करिया पड़िवो ना. तो 8टा क्वेश्चन रो मिनिमम एथुर 3 सेथुर 3 लिखुथिया पड़िवो, आ 2टा एक्स्ट्रा. मीन्स एथुर कर कि सेथुर कर. है। तो इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन स्टूडेंट सिलेक्ट द क्वेश्चंस, इन हाउ मेनी वे कैन द स्टूडेंट सिलेक्ट द क्वेश्चंस। सिंपल आंसर देखो टिके, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन पार्ट 1, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन पार्ट 1, इन पार्ट 1 केते अछि 5, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन पार्ट 2 is equal to 7, number of question to be attempt, number of question to be attempt, number of questions to be attempted, to be कितना क्वेश्चन 8 क्वेश्चन। ओके अच्छा, स्टूडेंट मस्ट सिलेक्ट 3 फ्रॉम ईच ग्रुप, एटलीस्ट 3 फ्रॉम ईच ग्रुप। ओके, सिंस ईच सिलेक्शन कंटेन, since each selection contains at least 3 questions from each group, contains at least 3 questions from each group, each groups। तो नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज आर कौन कौन पॉसिबिलिटी अच्छे देख टे, तो डिफरेंट पॉसिबिलिटीज आर डिफरेंट पॉसिबिलिटीज केमी कर आर डिफरेंट पॉसिबिलिटीज आर कौन ना 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम ग्रुप, 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम पार्ट 1, 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम पार्ट 1, 3 फ्रॉम पार्ट 2। 3 हेनी 5 कहीं टोटाल आम 8टा अटेंड करा पड़ो, 3 + 5 मीन्स 8 है। अच्छा, ये जो 3टा क्वेश्चन आसो कौट पार्ट 1 आसो, पार्ट 1 केतटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी 5टा अच्छी, तो 5 ରୁ 3 सिलेक्शन कर 5C3 इंटू दिस इज 7 अच्छी 7C5 नेक्स्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम पार्ट 1 and 4 questions from part 2, 4 questions from part 1 and 4 questions from part 2 कौन आसो 5C4 into 7C4 नेक्स्ट 5 questions from part 1 and 3 questions from part 2, तो 5C5 into 7C3, 3 + 5 8, 4 + 4 8, 5 + 3 8, ऊपर समरा 12। ओके, तो एडिंग दिस we get the required number of कौन आसीबो, द स्टूडेंट्स कैन अटेम्प्ट इन दिस वे, नहीं कि therefore required number of ways is equal to required number of ways is equal to required number of ways is equal to adding these 5C3 into 7C5 plus 5C4 into 7C4 plus 5C5 into 7C3 is equal to, सिंप्लीफाई करो 5C3 तो 5 into 4 divided by 2, 5 into 4 divided by 2 means 10, 7C5 7 into 6 by 2 42 by 2 means 21 plus 5C4 means 5, 7c4, 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 factorial means 6. So 35, this is 35 plus 5c5 1 into 35, 7c4 is 7c3 to 210. So 5 into 5, 5 into 5 25, 5 3 is 15, 17 plus 35. So is equal to 5 plus 5 10, 0, 3 plus 7 10, 10 11 12, 2 1 3 4 420. तो 420 वेरे आम कौन कर क्वेश्चन को अटेंड कर तीनटा क्वेश्चन ताइर 5टा क्वेश्चन ए 7टा क्वेश्चन दिखाई मिनिमम 3 क्वेश्चन हिसाब से आम अटेंड कर 3 से 5 कि 4 4 कि 5 3 ये आम 420 केस आम कर ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्रूव दैट 4nc2n divided by 2ncn is equal to 1:3:5 up to 4n minus 1 divided by 1:3:5 up to 2n minus 1 whole square. ओके प्रूफ। तो LHS पार्ट देखो टिके LHS पार्ट तो 4nc2n divided by 2ncn. अच्छा 4nc2n means what? This is 4n factorial divided by 4n minus 2n factorial into 2n factorial whole divided by 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. तो is equal to 4n factorial divided by 4n minus 2n, this is 2n factorial into 2n factorial, okay, divided by 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial, okay. तो is equal to this is 4n factorial into ये चलला ऊपर को n factorial स्क्वायर n factorial स्क्वायर divided by 2n factorial into 2n factorial 2n factorial whole square into again 2n factorial ये तीनों जगह मल्टीप्लाई है। अच्छा 4n factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 up to 4n, तो 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to 4n. तो number of terms here 4n. तो out of 4n terms 2n terms are odd and 2n terms are even. तो आउट ऑफ 4n टर्म भितर 2n टा ऑड टर्म अच्छी 2n टा इवेन टर्म भी अच्छी इंटू n फैक्टोरियल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2n फैक्टोरियल मीन्स दिस इज 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n होल स्क्वायर इंटू 2n फैक्टोरियल is out of there are 2n number of terms 1 2 3 up to 2n. तो out of 2n numbers n are even and n are odd. So this is equal to separate the odd and even numbers. So this is 1 into 3 into 5 up to 4n minus 1. 4n minus 1. These are even, these are odd numbers. And these are 2n odd numbers. These are 2n odd numbers. Next 2 into 4 into 6 up to 4n. These are 2n even numbers into n factorial square divided by here also 2n numbers are there. So out of 2n n are odd 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1, okay, into 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n. This is n odd n even whole square into 2n factorial is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 up to 4n minus 1. अच्छा here देखा there are 2n numbers, 2n even numbers. This is 4n means 1 2 3 up to 4n means 2n are odd number, 2n are even number. तो 2n even number, these are 2n even number. 2n number of even numbers. Okay. अच्छा each term रू गोटे गोटे 2 कॉमन बाहर कर दे each term रू तो केतरा टर्म अछि 2n टर्म अछि तो 2n 2 कॉमन आसी जीवो तो यू कैन राइट दिस इज 2 to power 2n 2 to power 2n is equal to or you can write this 2 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 up to 2 into 2n into n factorial square divided by this is 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 whole square into this is 2 means 2 into 1 2 into 2 2 into 3 up to 2 into n ये भी square into 2n factorial into 2n factorial. Okay. So is equal to this is 1 into 3 into 5 1 into 3 into 5 up to 4n minus 1 into each term go to the 2 common card प्रत्येक term every term taking 2 as a common so there are 2n term so 2 into 2 into 2 up to 2n that is 2 to power 2n so 2 to power 2n into 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n into so is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 up to 4n minus 1 here the 2 into 2 into 2 up to 2n number it is 2 to power 2n into 1 into 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n into n factorial square divided by this is 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 whole square into each term 2 common quality n term अच्छी तो 2 to power n कॉमन आसी जीवो 2 to power n काइंड n term अच्छी so this is 1 into 2 into 3 up to n whole square into 2n factorial तो is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 up to 4n minus 1 this is 2 to power 2n this is 2n factorial 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n means 2n factorial into n factorial square divided by this is 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 whole square into 2 to power n square that is 2 to power 2n a to power m whole to power n means a to power mn so a to power n into 2 so 2 to power n into 2 that is 2 to power 2n 1 into 2 into 3 up to n means n factorial so n factorial square into 2n factorial. Okay, so 2n factorial cancel n factorial square cancel 2 to 2n is cancel. Okay, so is equal to curly bracket 1 into 3 into 5 up to 4n minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to RHS. Okay. In next class we shall do other problems and other theory or restriction of combinations. Okay.